What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'd like to share with you how to earn with TimeBucks.com. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Let's dive straight into the video. The site I use to earn is called TimeBucks.com. Changing the world one task at a time. You can get paid to post on Facebook, view funny slide shares, play games, install apps, complete micro tasks and answer surveys. So here, when we scroll a little bit down here, this is their daily bonus. Each day we run a competition where the top 100 earners will win a nice bonus and start earning instantly. No approval process required for new sign-ups. You can just sign up in 5 seconds and start earning. We have a referral program, so you earn commission on everyone you refer. And you can also see they also pay weekly. They have a weekly payout here. You can also read about their frequent asked questions and read about the site to have a clear understanding about what the site is all about before you start participating with the site. So in order for us to start earning with TimeBucks.com, you have to sign up. So let's go to sign up page. On the sign up page, you can either sign up with your Facebook or you sign up manually below by putting your email, your password, then you repeat your password, then you confirm I'm not a robot, then you sign up. But since I've already signed up, I'll just log in, then I'll confirm I'm not a robot, then I'll log in. So here you can see at the moment you're on my dashboard. So now let's go through some of the ways you can earn with TimeBucks.com. So when you come to your dashboard, here we have a daily goal checklist. Complete your daily goal checklist below and receive a bonus. You only have to complete 5 out of the 6 below. It can be in any order. You must complete it before the day ends according to the time in the footer of the site. Otherwise it will reset to 0. So these are the daily bonus that you have to complete. After completing this daily bonus, you have to complete 5 out of the 6. Then you get a reward of $0.05 bonus and 20,000 stock stake entries. You can go through and complete these daily tasks to be able to earn the bonus. So now let's go through some of the other ways that you can also earn with TimeBucks. Here we go to the earn section, then we click on earn. So here the earn section, here you can see these are the various ways that you can earn with TimeBucks. Here we have the survey. Check hourly to see if more surveys become available. So here these are the surveys that you have to participate. So you can participate with this survey to earn some bonuses. So here you can see here your survey. After completing this survey, you earn $0.875. And this one too, after completing this is the amount of money you earn. You earn 0.5 cents. What you have to do in order to just start is just to click start. When you click start, when you want to earn with the survey, you just click start, then it take you through the process on how to earn. Then after completing the survey, then you earn this amount of money. So it is as simple as that. So that's how you participate with the survey to earn with them. You can also earn through their content. So you're on the content page. In this task, you will get paid to click on links from advertisers. You must view the website for a specific time in seconds to receive your credits. You can only view one ad at a time. So here you can see this is an ad that you have to view. In order to earn this amount, you have to view this ad for about 5 seconds. So you just click view. Then here you can see it's counting down. So after the countdown, so after viewing for 5 seconds, then you earn. So you can see this is the total offers available that you can also view again. So let's just go through and view another one again to see what you can see. It has come down to 53. So after viewing again, it will come down. You can see it has come 52. So this is the amount of money that you can earn for viewing these ads. So you can just go through to view this ad and earn that amount of money. Another way you can also earn is through their slideshows. In order to earn this amount, you have to go through at least 7 pages in the slideshow to be credited. So you just click view, then go through this. You go through about 7 pages, then you credit this amount. So here you can also earn through their engage. So here in this task, you will get paid to watch specific YouTube videos. This task can be fully automatic as once the video starts, as long as it is in focus. So with this, you just have to view some YouTube videos, then you earn this amount per video. You earn $0.01 per video. So this is how it works. You can just go through them to watch some videos and earn this amount of money per video. And you can also earn through their push clicks. So on their push in this task, you will get paid to click on ads. However, they will be delivered to you as a browser notification. You get ad playing between 0.0005 and 0.07 per click. So this is how you earn with the push click. You can just go through, read about them to know how it really works. Just click here, you activate. Mine is activated. There will only be a notification that will pop up the right corner of your desktop. It will pop up. Then when you click on it, then you earn. Then you can also earn through the search. So with the search, what you have to do in this tab, you will get paid to search for things that you are interested in buying, or service you are interested in using. So you will be redirected to shopping website with search result. So you will get paid for each search you do, up to a maximum of 1 search per 13 minutes and a maximum of 3 search per day. So just go through this search, then you earn. So these are the current rate per search. You earn 0.001 per search. So you can also earn through their 55 word tags. In this tags, you will get paid to go through 7 pages of slideshows. Click the green view button to begin the tags. You can do 48 slideshows per day, but only one every 13 minutes. After 13 minutes time ends, you do another slideshare. So these are the steps you follow through. You'll be able to earn $0.001 per the post slideshow. So you can also go through the tags to also earn with the tags. So with the tags, in this tags, you will get paid to complete micro tags. When you click the tags starting button, you will be presented with the instructions set by the advisor on what they want you to do. You will have 13 minutes to complete the tags and submit your proof. You will click on the start a new task, then to take you through. After taking you through, then you earn some amount of money. So here you can see total tax available. This is a tax that you can participate to earn with it. So every tax there's a amount that you earn attached to it. Here this tax you earn $1 for completing this tax. So just go through the tax to see the one that you see fit that you participate with them. You can also enter their submissions. Below you fill a list of tasks you have attempted that were either approved, reject, or still pending approval. You will receive a notification when your campaign has been received. You can also enter your referral. So you get paid 15% commission on the earning for anyone you refer to TimeBucks. That means if your referral earns $10, you earn $1.50 commission. You don't earn referral commission on their bonuses. You only earn referral commission if your referral have verified their ID. Once they verify their ID, you will receive $2 bonus to make up for the lost commission anyway. You will earn 10% commission on any advertised fund that get deposited by any user. So if they deposit $100, you will get $10 commission. So here, this is your referral link. You can just copy your referral link to share with your friends or your family or with your followers. So when they start participating with the site, you start earning 15% commission from them, and you can also earn 10% commission on any advertisement fund that get deposited by any user. So another way they can also earn is through their offer walls. So here, when you go through their offer walls, there are various offers that you can complete to earn with them. Here we have offers that is meant for iPhone, for iPad, and offers that are meant for Android. So you can just go through the offers, then earn. So you can see this offer. If you complete this offer, you can earn 43.5 cents. So these are some offers that you can earn 100 cents. Some you can also earn 4 cents. So just go through the offers, then complete, then see the one that you see fit, then participate with them, then complete and start earning. So there are various offers that you can just go through them and start earning with them. And you can also earn with the AliExpress. So you can use this tab to get cash back on the items you want to purchase from AliExpress, or you can use it to sell things to other people, and you will earn commission whenever someone buys something through your link. So you just go through, you read it. After reading it, then you have a clear understanding of how it works. Then you start participating with the AliExpress, then you start earning with them. And here you can also enter with their interest. So this is how it works. Interest in this tax, you will get paid to send links to friends about specific things they might be interested in. These links will go to a search engine result page, and you will get paid when someone lands on the search result. So that's how it works. You can just read through how it works. See, enter a keyword in the box below and click generate link. This will generate a link for search engine result related to that keyword. You can then send this link to a friend, and when they land on the search result page, you will get paid instantly. You can also earn with the sweepstakes. TimeBucks has a weekly sweepstakes prize given away, where a total prize pool of $500 is awarded to 13 winners each week. So you can also participate with it. So you can see here below is a list of prizes that will be won soon. So you can just participate with the sweepstakes. If possible, you are among the winners, then you earn this amount of money. The first prize will be $250, the second prize will be $50, the third prize will be $50, 4th to 10th prize will be $10, and 11th to 30th prize will be $5. So you can just go through to also participate with it. So this is the premium. So with the premium, by upgrading to the premium, you will increase your earning on TimeBucks by 25% for just $4.95 per week. Any tax you do will earn you 25% more. That means if you do a tax that usually pay you $1, you will get $1.25 for it. This only increase normal tax earning by 25%, exclusive referral earning and bonus. It will not increase your current existing wallet amount by 25%. You can go through with it if you want to participate as a premium member. It's as simple as that. So when you come to the payment section, here you see your time remaining until the invoice cut, and you can also see your time remaining until payment are sent. So it's as simple with working with this site. So this is how you earn with TimeBucks.com. You can just go through the site, read and understand how the site works, then start earning with the site. It's as simple as that. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.